Hi guys, I'm just doing a member video to show you my live trading and to see what I am doing at the moment. I don't know, remember if you guys remember this, I can just show you. 3 days ago I entered a TA about ApeCoin that I want to enter a short position if it hit my B wave, which it was going to. Then this is the second day and it perfectly almost hit it, right? And it did actually hit it, and I did enter a trade. However, it get overextended. The wave 3 is now, as you guys have seen, I will teach you this in the live trading session. It is what we call a wave 3 extension. All right, which means this wave and this wave should be equal. I will show you guys this. But anyway, I did get stopped out on my stop loss because I do have a high leverage of 10x, but I am trying to use small money to see if I can get $3,000 to show you guys that is a possibility, all right? Because I've done it before, I'm trying to do it again. But I re-entered a trade, so this is my second trade. I did lose few money here and there, but it doesn't matter. So right now I entered a trade because according to my TA Elliott wave and all of these kind of things, we are overextended. We broke through the 1618 which is the golden ratio area for FIB level, FIB ratio, and then we reach all the way to 2618. And usually, usually when it's way too extended, it hit 36118. It haven't hit that area yet, but as you guys seen right now, it struggled at right about this area. And we also have a supply zone. If you guys remember, we have a supply zone around this area, which is a strong zone. So I do believe we might go down, reach the wave 4, hit the wave 5. Now we can get truncated, it's called, in Elliott wave toward the wave 5 fade, which is perfect for me, or we can reach all the way to wave 3618. Now I do not have a stop loss on this one. The reason is because I don't have a lot of money, so my risk is not that big. All right, so far the trading is going good. I could close the trade, but again, I don't have a big account on this. I just want to show you guys it is possible with a small account as well. If I had a bigger account, that is a huge risk for me. So I will of course have stop losses ready. I did have a stop loss ready, and I did get stopped out on this first trade. But let's see how this trade is going, guys. I'm just showing you this is a possibility, and let's see if I get stopped out or liquidated, or if I can get some good money after this. Remember, this is high leverage. I don't usually do that. The only reason I do that because I'm trading with small, few $100, something like that. I don't trade with a lot at the moment. This is more to show you guys my trading live on my members, so you guys can see. Again, we are getting overheated at the RSI stock. The RSI are almost getting overheated. We are getting some bearish divergence. Again, we do have a strong momentum. What the MACD is showing, we do have some great volume, so we might overreach at this area, but I don't think we will get more than that because this is again a relief rally correlated with the Bitcoin price. All right, guys, so let's see how this unfolds and see if we can get some great gains out of it and get some money back we lost. All right, remember risk management. All right, so let's see if we can get some money back. Remember, if I didn't pull out, if I didn't have a stop loss, I will have lost everything. But because I did have a stop loss, I got stopped out, and now I re-entered it to the same. It re-entered a new position with the same coin. All right, guys. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. I will keep you guys updated. All right, guys. A few hours have passed now, and so far the trading is looking good. We are around 35% in profit, swinging at the moment. Yeah, so it has been following our TA. To the teeth, so that is perfect. I do believe we still have some long way to wave 4, and I even might leave at wave 4. I just need to see how the market conditions are, how the different things are. But so far our trading is looking good. We are getting up. We have regained the loss we had in the first trading we did, and now we're just rolling on profit. So yeah, let's see how this small account, how I can make it bigger. So yeah. I will keep you guys updated and post more videos about this. Welcome back, guys. Again, I just want to keep you guys updated. We are up 45% up. Sellers are aggressively back right now. I'm fighting to keep the price down. So TR looking good. We are in the oversold area in the RSI stock. We do have a bullish momentum right now, but we are still on a downtrend on the RSI. On the MACD and the RSI. We are almost getting to the but areas of tier are looking good. I'm just gonna write this. So far the market condition have not changed. Bitcoin is also getting rejected at some areas. I'm not going into Bitcoin, but just to show you guys. All right, just show you guys, Bitcoin did get rejected around this area, right? And if it push up, we will need volume. If they do push up, it will get rejected most likely as a 33 to 34k, which will of course have an impact on our trading right now. But we are up around 40-45%. We're swinging at the moment. I'm not going to close my position yet because we still have some, we still have some space to go down and get some more profit. I might check some out. But this account is a small account. Again, I just want to show you guys it is possible to make good amount of money with a small account. And if you just look at the chart and go back to the chart, remember guys what I posted. All right, this candlestick, the daily candlestick have not closed yet. But if the sellers keep pushing the price down and the candlestick comes around this area, this one, as you guys see here, is a huge pin bar. All right, there's a huge indication for the candlestick that it will be a sell-off. All right, and if you guys seeing here, there's a huge big supply zone right over here making a big resistance also over here, again aligned with our TA, aligned with the Elliott wave also, which means it can go further down and you can get a more money around this. Again guys, showing that it is possible with a small account to make bigger. So again, I will show you my with trading. Let's see how it goes. If there will be some manipulation or volume kicks in and I will get stepped out or something like that, stepped out. Let's see how far it goes. Hi guys, a fast updating. We can now look. I'm up around 80%. I'm still going to make this right because my TA is still holding. If you look at the TA, take this off, it's still holding. I was saying we need to go to wave 4 at 161.18, and then I will see how the market condition are. If we have some rebounds, something like that, then I will put a stop loss and take the profit. I don't want to be too greedy on this market, so it's a fine profit. I have my loss from before and more than that. Back again, and if you look at the CoinGlass.com with the long and short ratio, we have seen that the short is lesser than the long, which means if this changes, if there's more shorts than there's long, I will most likely check the trade because I don't like that. There will be some kind of squeeze then from some of the manipulation. You guys can also use that. But so far the trading is going good. We are up in profit. Let's see how far we can go down if the TA will still hold, guys. I will keep you guys updated. Hi guys, I'm back with a new update. It's been 2 days since. I normally do not day trade or scalp trade more than a day, and I did take my profit. So I thought I did. I was up around 80 or 90%, and that was more than enough for me. Then I was going to close my profit and was going to take it. However, it seems it didn't take it. So that is quite annoying because then I was getting close to liquidation price. My liquidation price is 7.3 because I have so low account. I didn't put stop loss. That is fine, guys. I am making a new strategy now. I can get out of this loss, but I don't want to do that. So what I'm doing instead is I am making a new TA, a pretty fast TA. It still seems that we are going down, but I was sure that we will go to wave 4. We did. I took my profit as I thought I will do, but it didn't go through apparently. So now what I did was I added more profit to put my liquidation price up. I put $75 or $73, something like that, to put my liquidation price up, because according to my new TA, we are in this leading diagonal, right? So after a C wave, you usually see a correction right after, right? We just need to know where the C wave pretty much ends. And if we zoom in into the 1 hour chart, we are losing volume. We have a bearish divergence in the RSI stock, and the MACD. So we are losing momentum. And if we'll just deep dive into it, from B wave to C wave, we are seeing a wave 5 wave, as it should. Remember, at the last B wave, C wave, there's a wave 5. But in this wave 5, we have an ending triangle right over here. So it is showing us right now with again a subdivision of 33333 waves. I will show you guys in a live trading session about these. So it is showing that we are getting done and losing momentum. We are in this rising wedge also, and it is getting thinner and thinner, and we are losing volume. So all in all, it is still showing a high probability that we are going down. No guarantee we can still go up a bit higher to $7 before we go down, but in my opinion, we should end of this wave and we should go lower, and then I can get my profit back again. But I don't think we are done yet. If you look at the Bitcoin price, I did this TA more than a month ago, right over here. We zoom out to the weekly. I did this a month ago, saying that once we cross around 24,000, we will get some kind of rejection. If we do not get rejection, we will most likely hold this as a support and go to our other one. Let me just see. I made this TA on my video as well. Relief rally to 24k or 29k in the golden ratio area if we get there. If we break this supply zone right over here, this resistance area. All right, guys. If we break it and hold it, I most likely will get liquidated. That is a high probability. But so far, it is looking like it might go my way again. So I'm still not giving up in this trade. I can get out just to make sure that I didn't to minimize my loss. But I am making a bigger risk now. I don't recommend this unless you guys know what you're doing. So let's see if it goes my way. And hopefully, if it does, I will be able to take profit. I have no idea why it didn't work. I showed you guys my trade. I said I was going to take profit. And yesterday in the road, I took profit. And now, yeah, it didn't go through apparently. And I was like up 80 to 90%. My trading was perfect. And I always take profit. And yeah, that happened. It is what it is, guys. We just had to readjust and yeah, have no emotion and just trade. Yeah, so let's see if it goes or if I lose money or if I get some money. I will keep you guys updated and see how it goes. Hi guys and welcome back. I have a quite an update. It's been a few days, so this trading went from a day trading perspective to a swing trading. So that's quite annoying, to be honest. And that's because I could not take my profit. And guess what? My TA was perfect, but yet again, I could not take profit. I don't know what's going on, so I contacted the Binance support team and they couldn't find any wrongdoing. So that is quite annoying because I was the first one. Let me just show you. It was a wave 3, went to, I shorted right there, went to wave 4, right? Around 90% profit. I was going to take it out and thought I didn't take it out because I was going to take a long in. Didn't happen. Quite annoying. Went to wave 5, right? As we anticipated. Well, I did because I was, wave 5 around this area, right? As we anticipated. And then it went down and that was around 50%. And I thought, you know what, 50% is just good enough. But then, because then I could take a long trade right after, did not work again. So I got pretty pissed because I didn't get too greedy. I didn't want to take profit. It just, there was some technical issues. But anyway, guys, you need to change your mindset. If these things happen, because it will happen, then you have to change your strategy, all right? So my strategy on the long term is still the same. But I wanted to take around 4 or 5 trades with this one, short, long, and earn a lot of profit. If this, held and I could take profit, my profit margin will be a lot larger. But what I have done right now, just to show you guys, I still have this leading triangle. If you guys are seeing here, with a rising wedge, with a 3 substructure, we have a ABC correction, then we have a wave C, and after wave C, we have a large correction right after. So this is the pullback I'm waiting for now, because now I actually got pissed because I couldn't take my profit. I will have a lot of profit. So right now I'm just, riding the wave, but I was at minus 50%. Now I'm minus 20%. I'm still holding on my, I can take this out and re-enter, but I do believe strongly on my TA, because if we look right here at the C wave, it is falling like a one. First of all, this is a extension wave with a wave 3 within this C wave, and then we have a rising wedge with a bearish target. We have an oversold territory in the RSI stock, and we almost were oversold, overbought, but now we are going down. If we hit the 50 area, we might have a small bounce to retest this area. I don't think that. I think we will break this because right now we are way too overbought at these areas. And if you look at the MACD is showing weak signs that we are losing, histogram showing we are losing momentum now. We have a crossover. The only thing that could change it if Bitcoin actually have a rally, then we might see, break structure right here. But the structure is not broken yet. There's a perfect setup. We might see an ABC correction or flat ABC, which I want to teach you in another session, guys. So if we just also look at my other TA, because I look at a different perspective, it's almost the same as this. All right, then we have almost the same. We have the wave 5, and then we have a flat correction. I will teach you guys this in the edit wave session. Not only that, if you guys are looking right here, let me just make it more clearly right over here, and maybe make it red, then it's more visible. Yeah, we have a ascending channel, which is a bearish channel, right? We had a support, resistance, and look, it's losing momentum now, and it just broke the channel also. All right, it broke the rising wedge channel, and it broke the ascending channel, meaning that we are going down. Now my target for this is actually, let me show you guys again with another one. Let me just show you. Yeah, it's going down now, guys. My target for this is, let's remove the big one here, is something like this. It will hit most likely the FIB level 1618 at 5.5. Then most likely it will rally. If we get enough momentum, it will rally to the upside, to golden pocket area. It reject it and then back again. I might even take a profit here and long it here, right? I just need to see how this unfolds. But I do believe this is a possibility, definitely a possibility, right? Because we can like go down in an oversold area, then we have a wave A, and this might even, so be supported at this line at the 50. That will be a perfect setup to a long, right? Because then we had oversold area and we are still at the 50, then we can long it around to the golden pocket area. And I hope this time I was going to swear that this time that I can take profit, and it's not because I'm greedy. I have control over my emotion. It's a technical issue. I couldn't take my profit, so it's quite annoying, but it is what it is, guys. You can win them all, right? So if these things happen, you just have to change your mindset. So yeah, as you guys are seeing, the TA is doing pretty well. So let's see if it's get some kind of support and goes to this area. But I do believe it is getting good. And something else, guys, but I didn't notice, or didn't say, sorry, it is, do you guys see this? The low volume price action is going up, the volume is going down, right? Usually that indicate a bearish diversion of the volume, right? We're not even hitting the average volume, sorry. So low volume, that will be most likely be a big spike of our sell volume, and we will break it. This also indicate we will go to our wave A, to 16118, and we can even get overextended, but time will tell, guys. So far it is looking good. We can even extend to the 200%, guys, right there, because as you guys are seeing, we have great support here and demand areas. You guys are seeing right there, pivot here. That is previous candlestick support area. So we might even go here. So time will tell, but I'm still sticking with my TA. I have not stopped out or been liquidated. I have not been panicking or any kind of nonsense. I have been annoyed, not gonna lie. I was really annoyed. I'm soon in profit again. So I was quite annoying because I could earn a lot of money just based on this Elliott wave, as you guys saw previously. But I will keep you guys updated. Let's see how this unfolds. Let's see if we go to my target. Let's see if we can long it right there, if it's going lower, and we can get some more profit out of this, because we most likely will end up in profit. I'm pretty confident about this TA. But yeah, guys, time will tell. No guarantee, only probability, right? Yeah. Just one thing more before I forget, guys. If you change your candlesticks from the Heikin Eshi, I don't think I'm pronouncing it right, you can see a whole different perspective, all right? Then you can actually see that we are in the oversold area at the RSI, and we have bearish diversion. Now these candlesticks are showing where there's a strong buyers and strong sellers, a strong larger trend instead, all right? I use this especially in the daily and weekly, and this also is aligning with our previous TA or was current TA also now, because we are just looking at it perfectly ABC if this will happen, right? We can also have a flat correction, but time will tell if we have flat correction. I don't believe it, because we are at the overbought area. we are having bearish divergence. We are in the rising wedge, and if we just look here, we had a strong uptrend, and now we need to have a pullback, right? This is very normal market psychology. Again, this can take days. We took from day trading, which is we close before the day is over, to a swing trade, which can take days or weeks. So that is quite annoying. But again, we most likely will be in profit. I am strong believer in that because the TA is looking good, and there's a high probability for this outcome. Overbought. We are changing. We are crossing soon to the downside. And once we go down, it will be like a great sweet spot, because if we go down to $5.5, that will be around, I guess, almost 100% in profit. So that will be good. And then we can, of course, long it unless it go down to 200%. Then we will have more profit, and then we can long it. I do believe we will have a small relief rally before we go down again, like ABC, as we see here. But again, guys, this is showing that the strong trend is now correcting. Now, of course, this is probability. We can, of course, correct with 2 candlesticks and then go up to the moon. I don't think that is a highly likely profitability, but it is a possibility, of course. Anyway, guys, yeah, see you till next time. I will keep you guys updated if I get stopped out or anything like that. And I'm back again, guys. 2 days have been passed now, and this was going to be day trade, but it became a swing trade. As I was anticipating from a previous video, we were in a rising wedge with the last wave up, wave 5, before we saw the bigger pullback to all the way to wave A, which I said I will take my profit, and I did. It hit exactly a target a bit further down and hit the 21 SMA and use the support, but in the end hit my profit target, which was 1618 pip level, and I took my profit. As you guys see here, let me just show you. Yeah, I was at my girlfriend's family yesterday, so I only had my phone and I couldn't record it, but I did took my profit at almost 80%, which is fine. The only thing which is quite annoying is I was talking in previous video before this waves happen. I said I will short it here at wave 4. I will pretty much long it. At wave 5, I will short it. That means I could have 1, 2, 3 profit targets, and they will all go in, right? I have a lot more profit. This will most likely be like a 17. This will most likely be 100%, and this was a 80% profit. So I would have a lot more profit, but because of technical issues and I couldn't take my profit, I didn't know what happened. Binance said it was not their issue, but it doesn't matter. The whole point was I was still in control. I was not fearful. A very important lesson. Like I told you guys in my last sessions, have control and control your emotions, all right? And I did not become too greedy because I could feel in my body I'm becoming too greedy. So I did take my profit exactly as I said I will. And I was going to enter along, but I don't trade when I only have my phone. I did not anticipate it will go that fast down, but it did. I thought maybe it would take 3 days, but of course I can't have control of the market. It again hit the target as I was talking about, and then it bounced back from this 1618, and most likely going to wave B. Now we of course have to be careful because we have the Fed meeting coming this week with hiking rate. We have the GDP coming out, reporting if there's a recession. We have earnings report, we have PCE report coming out about the inflation. We have a lot of things coming up which can of course impact this trading on the fundamental point of view, right? Really important to understand. But I also talked about these candlestick, which is the hiking issue, right? We saw a strong trend and we had a rising wedge, strong trend, and then in the strong trend I waited for this corrective move to the downside. Again, happened as I pretty much anticipated, and I took profit. Now if we just look at the textbook I made for you guys right over here, and maybe just remove this. Oh, I can't, sorry. Then you guys see we have the leading diagonal in the elite wave with a substructure of 3, 3, 3, 3, a zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Then we have the ABC corrective, and within after ABC corrective ended, we have a long from wave B to C, we have a impulsive movement, right? And we had an extension of wave 3 right over here, and it's just played out perfectly as we anticipated. Well, I said I anticipated, and again, if we look at the wave, I was anticipating that once this wave break out, we will see some kind of movement. This can still be true. We can maybe see a move to the wave B, all right, around the golden pocket area before we get rejected again. I might take a short position right here, but I just need to look how things develop, right? But anyway, guys, this trade was pretty profitable. I'm just gonna keep this small account and see if we can get to 1,000 and 5,000 and 10,000 or 10,000 this bear market, and see if we can just roll it, just to show you guys it is possible to turn, you know, small amount of money to bigger amount of money. I'm pretty sure and confident I can do that. I have done that many times before. I'm still gonna do it. But just to the record, guys, if you look at right here, and we see the RSI, as I showed you in my live session, remember, when RSI hit 50 and we are going to hit 50 here, maybe even bottom out, that usually means we have a reversal, all right? So we have some reversal idea, which is aligned with the TA also. Remember these, all right? And yeah, and guys, remember we have a live session with the Elliott Wave session I made for you guys. We're going to talk about Friday at 3 p.m. GMT +1. And then I will explain you also these kind of waves and how they work and so on. So yeah, let's see if we can turn this small account to a bigger account with more trading. Remember, this was only a members videos only, so I will post it a members video. Hope this makes sense for you guys, and hope your trading is also going well. See you next time.